Welcome back and thank you for joining me today. This video was actually shot at the end of last winter and I just didn't have time or will to edit it and post it on YouTube. But today it's up and it's online. Now, when I washed the car, the 240, I noticed those decals on the doors and I thought to myself, that's interesting. I've never paid attention to those reflector decals. They're there, I guess, from factory. They reflect the light. And my guess is that it's for safety reasons. When the door opens, the traffic that drives by or cyclist will more likely to notice the door open, especially when it's dark outside. Those decals are in good shape. They reflect the light very well compared to the new ones I got. I will show you later. Considering that the 240 is already 30 years old. Made in Sweden, manufactured December 1989. I love this car. And I did some research and yes, it's available at the dealer. They still sell it. And I got 4 stickers for my XC70. And as you know, our Volvos, they don't have any indicators on the doors when they're open. There is no warning light, there is no reflectors, nothing. I got those 4 stickers from my dealer. They're not cheap, but I think it's worth it. There is the part number if you wanna order some. And in this video I'm gonna show you the installation and I'll show you how they reflect the light when it's dark. Let's unpack one and take a look. Each decal is individually packaged. It's made in Sweden. There is 3M logo at the back. And it says Volvo up front, which I like, and I will add dimensions in the description below just in case you want to know the size of the decal. Next is to find a good position for the decal, and we want a pretty large flat area on the door, and the only one I found is at the edge over here. So that's where I'm gonna put them up. I think it's gonna be a good place. First you want to degrease the surface with some alcohol. It's rubbing alcohol there, and it's pretty cold outside. My fingers are freezing and the decal becomes very brittle, so I'm gonna go into my garage and use a hair dryer to warm it up because it's pretty cold. So the first decal I've put it up and this is how it's gonna look. In my opinion, it looks good. It looks factory, and once you put them up, you're not even gonna notice they're there. So I think it looks factory. Using a hair dryer, I wanna make sure that the surface is warm, including the decal itself. This way it's gonna stick very well to the degreased surface. And I guess you can find an alternative reflector, but in my opinion, this one will look the best and it will look factory. So 2 doors are done. I'm gonna go on the other side and repeat on the other 2. Installation is complete. The 4 decals are on the doors. In my opinion, it looks really good, looks factory. And next I'm gonna show you the way they reflect in the darkness. I'm gonna play with my Canon camcorder that I'm using to record all my videos. I'm not a pro, but I'm gonna try my best and deliver the footage to you. And please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell. Let's take a look when it's dark. So this is still in the garage. As you can see, it reflects the light pretty nice. Now let's take both cars outside and take a look. There is no difference between 30-year-old decal and the new one. They reflect exactly the same way, and this is actually the way it was outside. This is the darkness that you see. That's how dark it was. In the next shot, I've changed the settings on the camcorder, and now it's gonna show a little bit brighter. This simple and inexpensive add-on definitely adds safety to your already safe Volvo. In my opinion, it should have been added from factory. I have no idea why they stopped putting those stickers on. The reflectors are definitely doing their job. In the next shot, I've changed the settings to nighttime mode, and I was amazed at the picture. From pitch black to a bright street. Amazing. I hope that you like this video. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell. You can watch my other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, guys.